This is Saxon 4, Lesson 5, Ordinal Numbers and Months of the Year. So an ordinal number is a number that tells you what place somebody is. So for example, normal numbers that you would see is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what an ordinal number is, an ordinal number tells you the place of something. So for example, if I have people standing in line, and I was counting these people, I would say 1, 2, 3. But if I was talking about these people, I would say the third. So I would do third person in line. This is an ordinal number. An ordinal number tells you the place of something. So third, first, second, third, fourth, on and on and on. Okay? Again, if I have the days of the week, you'd be looking at Monday being the first day of the school week, or Thursday being the fourth day of the school week. Okay, so when you're using these, you're using first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and onwards. We do have, and I'll show you in a second, you can go up to 21st, 500s, whatever. But what you ended up doing is you end up just adding the ST, the ND, the D or the TH to the end of something. Fourth, third, or third, yeah, third place, second place, first place, fifth place, 21st, okay, and you'd write that like this, 21st, or 21st place, okay? So it's not 21, it's 21st. This is a diagram in your textbook. This is the page that you guys are on. There is a diagram right in your textbook that will show you what all of them are. Let's see if I can focus a little better. Okay, so you have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, or 13th, 20th, 21st, so on and so forth. Okay, so if you need a reference, you can come back to this lesson in this book. It actually gives you the reference of how to write them both ways. Now, months. When you're looking at the months of the year, we can say them together. January is the first month, and this is where those ordinal numbers come in again. We have January, the first month, okay? January, February, second month, okay? March, third month, so on and so forth. Okay, now I could keep going and I could list all the months, but I'm not going to because it is inside your book. Okay, so again, if you refer back to your textbook, okay, next page, okay, this is the page we just looked at, you know, on this page, if you refer back to your textbook, it will show you the months, how many days are in each month, as well as its place in the order, okay? So we have January is the first month, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And it tells you here how many days each month has. February is the only day that is different. So the reason February is different is because depending on whether it's a leap year or not, it will have 28 or 29 days. You don't have to worry about that yet. We're not talking about leap years yet. But just know, this is the diagram you will need to look at. It is in your book on page 31. okay, inside your textbook for this lesson. So using that diagram, if I had a question that asked me, what is the 8th month of the year? I would go to my diagram, I would look up 8th, and I would say August is the 8th month of the year. The other way I could do that is if I know what all my months are, I could also just sit there and go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay? Both of those ways will work. You can use the diagram in the book, or you can use your fingers and your mental counting. Either way is up to you. But that is the lesson for ordinal numbers and months of the year. Remembering, please, that ordinal numbers are the 3rd, 4th, 5th ones. Those are ordinal.